Okay guys, this is how to preserve and maintain still brand new the shoes that never used for how many years. This is the tips how to preserve your shoes in a cold temperature, for example in basement. So I'll show you to clean and maintain your brand new shoes stuck in your house as a collector. Okay, see you guys. Let's see step by step, one by one. Okay, as you can see in the video. Okay, we start in the bottom. Pieces of head black, still sa tag, still genuine, legit, brand new. Only stock how many years? I never use this because I have another one to use this. This Ripson with the tag. Still brand new. How to preserve I stock shoes in your basement. E6. A little bit wet, not too much wet. Just remove the dust. Okay. This is maybe 4 years, 3 years stock. Still brand new, genuine, legit, brand new, plus tag. This is HS. Like sandals. If you are using this out of town, legit, brand new. Not too much sweat because it's a cause of mold. Okay. Just remove the dust. That's it. Easy. Just remove the dust. For how many years stock. No damage in the sole because it's preserved in the basement. Still brand new. As a collector, I maintain this safe and stock. Just remove the dust. That's good. This is a preserved shoes on the stock as a collector. This is a Converse black. Still brand new. Even the sole Converse All-Star. Very basic shoes. Maybe 3 or 4 years this stock. But the sole is still not damaged. See? Because of cold temperature. If you see some mold like this, it's easy to remove. Easy to remove the clean shoes. With tag, Skechers shoes. Okay. Easy. Slip of the mold and the dust, that's it. With complete tag. Next one. Okay. Still brand new. There's a tag also. I use this as a, if there's an occasion, important appointment, I use one by one. Okay, like for example, my birthday, other occasion, going to somewhere, appointments. I take one brand new shoes. Okay, so we are in the second row now. Okay. So return this. This is how to clean your tips, clean your shoes if this is stuck. Okay. So prevent brand new. Okay. So only removing the dust. See? So quickly again, even how many years stuck here at this point. Just only you need a cold temperature in the basement using AC or electric fan. You should maintain no damage in your sole, inside or outside. That's it. So we are in the second row now to clean the other shoes. It's a Reebok. Nice sole. It's the latest, cheap. So that's light and cheap. For running shoes, biking. This is almost new. This is the last batch. I buy it with the Under Armour. It's still brand new. Just remove the dust. That's the most important. This is also the last. I buy it in this. Okay. Because I like the style. Light, heavy, Under Armour. Because in the Philippines is so expensive of this, especially in the port, or in the mall in the Taguig. It's expensive. Okay. So here in Canada, to buy this is only cheapest. You can afford every salary. It's normal here, and it's a common shoes here in Canada. Okay. So if you buy a Under Armour, not too much expensive. Under Armour shoes. I like the sole. That's why I buy it. And leather here in the front. Okay. That's it. No need to touch the white color. Okay. Nice white. Under Armour. Okay. See the dust. Only stock more than 3 to 4 years of this. Easy. Okay. Especially this white color Puma. Okay. It's a plain white. I like it because of he is the model of favorite of Dua Lipa. So white, light. Okay, cheap shoes. It's a rugged casual shoes. Easy. Make sure your rug is clean. So another one is Nike Gray. I like the combination of color, the design simple. Even this important, it's Nike shoes. Only stock more than 4 years or 3 years. The last one in the second row is a Air Max. Simple. Only the top is still brand new. It's still brand new. versatile because I testing in the mall. Okay. It's an Air Max. We're going to the first row. One of these is a NBA shoes. First is Kevin Durant, KD. KD, Kevin Durant shoes. It's dusty. See, it's dusty. Stuck over 3 years from other apartment. It's clean. Okay, now it's good. No dust. That's it. The second is coming from, I don't know if this the model is a big guy in NBA. It's starting, the name is A. In what's the NBA team is Bucks or Boston. Reflectorize. Is the logo. No name. Here. I don't know. I forgot who's the model of this in NBA. But I know this. See the logo. See the logo. No name. It's a size 12. And Antetokoun Antetokounmpo Antetokounmpo. That's the name of model is this shoes. Antetokounmpo. Okay. That's it. Simple. It's a local shoes. It's good design, especially the sole. Maybe more than 3 years or 2 years of this. These Kyrie shoes. I have 3 or 4, 2, 3. I think I have 4 shoes of pair shoes of Kyrie. 3 I use. This is 2 or 1 of brand new. Okay. This is stock. 3 to 4 years. Stuck here as a preserve. Okay. This is LeBron James shoes. still brand new. See, kinks. Okay. Just remove the dust, that's it. And preserve. No damage in the sole. Okay. Dusty. Easy to remove, to clean the dusty shoes. Stop. Okay. Last 3 row. It's Harlan shoes. See, stock 3 years, more than 3 years. Harlan shoes. See the design of Harlan shoes. Step back 3. Size 11 niya. See. Harlan shoes. See the logo inside. There's a H. Easy to clean and preserve the shoes. It's been how many years? Another Kyrie shoes. It's a leather upper. I like this design. Leather, air zoom. Okay. That's what I like these shoes for the stock. Okay. Nice. Okay. Still brand new. Maybe 3 to 4 years estimated. How long stock this? Last but not the least, it's Steph Curry. I like the combination green, gray, and black. That's why I buy it. And Under Armour. Okay. I like the combination of color and the design. Okay. Unlike the other model of Under Armour with Steph Curry shoes, it's not my type. So I like this design, the different colors of combination: green, black, white, and gray. See, that's that's how to preserve your shoes in the cold temperature. To preserve your shoes still how many years do you not use? Okay guys, so I think this is for now. To finish this video, I give you a tips if how many years stock your shoes. Is the important is the cold temperature. If you put to remove the dust, making sure it's not too much wet because cause of mold. If you stuck, especially in hot weather like summer. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. This is how to clean and tips how to preserve your shoes. Even there's a paper on the top still stuck in your shelves. As a collector like me, I never see only one time I buy a DC shoes. It's the sole is broken here, and one time or twice only I use it. There's a damage. So one of my lesson not to put in the cold temperature, but it's not gonna happen again because I think we need to preserve in the proper temperature of your shoes and how to remove the dust with not too much wet. Just remove the dust. That's it. See, this is the many years, maybe 3 to 4, almost 4 years to start this. Okay, so that's all I give you two tips. Even you stock a brand new shoes in your house. Okay, guys. Only I can say, please like and click the notification bell and subscribe for upcoming videos for next week. So this is guys, I give you a tip. That's it for now. Just click the button and notification bell and subscribe. So that's it for now. I give you tips as how to preserve and clean your stock shoes if it's still brand new. Okay. See you guys.